This is OnePlus Ace 5 and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So in the beginning, equip yourself with a SIM card or two and an injection tool like this one or this one, for instance. Or you can also use the needle or the unfolded paperclip, just anything that provides you with this very thin and pointy stick, kinda. Now look at the bottom part of the phone's frame, and left to the charging port you'll find the SIM card tray. Here it is. Now put your injection SIM tool or SIM injection tool into this hole and then push it all the way inside. And once you do that, the SIM card tray should pop out, as you can see. Now use your fingers to take it out all the way. Next, take your nano SIM card and align it with the icon or picture shown on the SIM card tray itself, or simply align its rounded edge of the SIM card with the rounded edge of the SIM card slot, like that. Then push it in, make sure that it is slotted all the way, and once it is, simply return the SIM card tray back into the phone. Make sure that it is also inserted all the way. There are no gaps and it does not stand out from the frame like that. And that's pretty much it. The SIM card has been installed, as you can clearly see, so you can, start using it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.